Hey guys, how you doing? It's Andrew from DefensiveFit. So today's video is going to be about using or utilizing the Siniwali, the double stick Siniwali drill, and taking that concept and incorporating it into punching and how it's used. So first I want to discuss what the Siniwali is, the patterns, and then how it's going to relate to boxing and how we're going to use it in boxing. So again, the Siniwali is just a double stick drill. A lot of people recognize it as a Heaven 6 or the Standard 6 or the Earth 6. It's very common again in the Filipino martial arts. And all it is, and let me just grab my two sticks here just to give you a quick preview. So the basic Siniwali set is two sticks will be in hold like this. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a I guess you say an inward right hand strike, a backhand left hand strike, and then a backhand right hand strike, and then we chamber it here. And now we have the same position we had on the right side, so we go off again. This time it's going to be an inward left hand strike, we chamber it back, a backhand right hand strike, and now we're going to do a backhand left hand strike, and we come here. So that's just the basic Siniwali drill. And again, taking that concept of going right, left, right, and the multiple variations that actually has in regards to either I strike high or I strike low, and how you take that and incorporate it into boxing. So what I want to do is actually I want to, see if I get a chance, I'm going to zoom in the camera here. What I want to show you guys, let me get my pencil real quick. So this, we'll start with the right side. So what I did earlier, if you notice, or if you recall, I did right hand, left hand, right hand. So this is pretty much taking the strikes both on the right and the left, and attacking, we'll say the head, so they're all high. So again, if we go into if you recall, if we go back a little bit, if we go into the, again, right hand, right hand, and left hand, right hand, left hand. So that's the kind of, again, going on the high line, as they call it. And now we have multiple variables. So now the other variable will be attacking the high line twice, and on the third strike, you attack the low line. Another version would be, first strike is the high line, then we go low line, and then high line. So this one here, actually, this one, and this one. So these particular ones, this is called Heaven 6. This is called Standard 6, or just Standard, and this is Earth 6. Now, these names came with, if I recall correctly, Dan DeSanto's mom, when he was doing the drill, his mom said Heaven 6 or Heaven Sticks, and he was like, why do you say that? It was because the sticks were pointing up. So he kind of stuck with the name of the Heaven 6. So again, Heaven 6 because the sticks points up. Standard 6, pretty much we have one high, one low, one high. And then Earth 6 because all the sticks are pointing down, or they're low strikes. So again, we have 8 possibilities or 8 variations here. High, high, low, sorry, high, 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 low, high, which I mentioned earlier was the standard. High, low, and then low, which is Earth, and then we have low, high, low, and low, high. 8 variations just on the right side. So that's just one variation on the right side. And then you have the same variations on the left side. So that right there gives you 16, or you can say either 16 combinations when you combine both the left and the right. That's just that. And now you take the highs, let's just say we take same drill on the right side, and then we start incorporating the different variations on the left side, and now you have another 64 type of drills you could do. And again, you have another here. It comes out to about, I think it was 512 variations. We're not going to create that many combinations when it comes to the striking, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of information or background in regards to how the Siniwali or what it is. All right, so again, the highs and the lows, we're going to take that as attacking the head and attacking the body. That's going to make sense a little bit more when we go into the boxing. And when it comes to the sticks, it's pretty much attacking the head and attacking the legs or the body. It all depends. So again, it's just the multiple variations, okay? So what I want to do is I want to grab my collie sticks, and I want to go ahead and turn around the camera, and I want to go into the bag. So what I want to do is kind of go off a little bit on the sticks just to show you a little bit of drills, just to see how it goes, so you can see how the drills are done. And then we'll go back again, and we're going to utilize this concept for boxing purposes. All right, so I'll be right back.